All right, so here we go outside. Just wanted to show you. Sorry the video's a little bit shaky, so I just went out the back door. And as you can see, we have quite a setup here. There's a few outbuildings, and we also have the lovely windmill. The windmill makes a continuous noise every time it turns, so you'll probably hear it during the time that we are together. Here's a clothesline, little outside picnic table. We can go up. This is a butterfly garden. The flowers haven't all bloomed yet, but that's just a storage shed. And then I'll take you for a quick peek. This is an old water pump. So there was a well here, and you used to be able to pump water out of it, but the pump has been disconnected. It was connected to the windmill, and this windmill used to make energy for the pump and also to power the house. Now here's something really nice over here. There's a little stone path, and we have some flowers blooming. So I'll take you over and show you some of the flowers. And here's a view of the outside. So here's the house. And we live on a golf course. There's a couple ponds. The mailbox is all the way over there. That's where we get our mail. This side of the house has a sunroom. Here's the play swing set. Some more flowers blooming over here. Let's see. They're very nice and pink. That's called a wild rose. It doesn't look like a traditional rose, and it's much easier to take care of. And then right here is the golf course. Looks like someone is leaving. So right across the street is the golf course. There's the garage and the cars, the front of the house. Hi, Hazel. Little Hazel. And everyone's at school right now. All my brother's children went to the in-person school. But right over here is the clubhouse. And we live right in front of the clubhouse. So people go over here and they golf. So there's lots of things to do over here. And here's a couple outbuildings. These are for the golf course. And then here's what the side of the house looks like. This is the side with the garage. Oh, there's little Maxie. Hi, Max Kitty. Good morning. And then the police car is in here right now, but my brother is a police officer and he works in a different town. But this is just one edge of the golf course. As you can see, it looks like some people are out golfing this morning. And we'll take a minute here and see if they can hit the ball. Practice swing. Practicing. They're probably wondering, why am I taking their video? What am I doing here? Let's see what happens. Oh, the ball didn't go very far. I guess they'll have to try again. And here's the farm truck We don't really live on a farm anymore, but this is a big tank that holds the fuel to heat the house. And then, like I said, over there is the utility shed, and that's for the golf course. Back there we have some neighbors, and here's the back of the house. So everyone has their little dog house, the little bikes there, and there's Max. Say goodbye, Max. I think he wants to go inside.